know. I'm Keish.
I'm Ellie.
So today we're doing
The Pancake Art Challenge.
and we're only doing emojis.
Yeah.
So Colton's gonna pick.
Out of
right?
the bowl. Yeah. The bowl is right here.
So we're just doing emojis. And there's 7. I believe we did 7. Okay. Colton,
Look at this right there.
other side.
Go
Come over here.
Oh, I'm scared.
Take your bowl.
And take
Yep.
the paper out.
Take a paper.
And then give it to them. Oh, I already know what it is.
The first one is emoji
Okay, first
with the heart eyes.
Okay.
So we're gonna start. Okay. Yours is more yellow. Here's the first. The first 2.
So mine has a weird eyeball, and hers is like one's like a circle kind of. Mine's really small.
Mine's kind of burnt. Come pick the next one out of the bowl.
Oh, I'm scared because mine's like.
That one. So now we're doing,
Oh
yeah, a little sad.
no! I mean, it's gonna be easy if you use like the black or like the white with the eyes or something.
Okay. Have our 2 sad faces. Mine.
Oh, it's hot. I cannot pick mine up.
Yours not that hot.
I can't find it.
And Ellie's. Ellie's gonna pick. Close your eyes. So.
Okay, so I'm. Okay, I'm screaming. Okay.
This one's done.
Mine done. And it's out. I can't do it.
Mine is one with the tongue sticking out.
Okay, I got to start this one first. Please, man. Okay, I covered this one.
Okay, go.
Let's kill no. Quit putting your arm over me because then I can't see. Where's it at again? Get it. Black. Come on, black. Is this looking at yours?
You have everything on your side.
Red. Now you have everything on your side.
Woo! Here's mine.
Help me.
Hot. Are these?
Mine kind of looks good. And your eye kind of got messed up. Would you eat this after?
They're just pancakes.
I know, but would you eat it?
Yeah.
I would not eat the one that's
Okay.
best.
Next one.
Who was I going to pick, lady? Which one?
The
No.
frustrated fish.
I'm bad at this one. I see that.
Okay.
Okay, so it's like. I like it. I made a crooked head. You got yours with the black. No. Why do you keep getting all the black? I'm gonna use the white. I'm helping you. What? What? I don't get it.
Mine might be good.
Because you always
That's
did
not
the
bad,
black.
though.
You always did the black
You can wait a
first.
second for the black.
No, but
It don't take
it might
that
be
long.
some more. I'm gonna chase someone around.
best one.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Okay, you're doing
Then my smiley face is better than your smiley because that has a tongue sticking out.
Okay, last one.
I don't want to pick it.
It's just the last one. But you have to do it right. It has red cheeks.
Okay, I can't. I know. There's no way.
So it's the
Lotion
lotion
face.
face.
I'll help you.
Okay.
I'll get you the time.
Where's the black? Where's the black?
Good, I'll take
Where's
it.
the blushing face at? I can't see it from over there.
I didn't see it.
Hurry up.
I have to look at it.
Ha, ha.
I just burnt myself.
Okay.
The blushing. I'm not gonna know room for the blushing. Okay, I'm gonna put on mine.
I didn't get one of these.
Mine's puffing up.
That's what mine's doing.
You want to do a free-handed one? Draw whatever you want.
Yes, I want
But
to.
you only have 1 minute.
What? I was gonna do. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do.
Okay, hold
Actually, no,
on.
I don't.
Give us, yeah, 1 minute to draw it.
No, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
No, 1 minute to draw it. Hold on. You know what you're drawing?
Yes, I actually do now. I mean, it's simple. That one actually looks really good because it's just yellow. Mine's made so easy, but mine might take longer.
Okay, hold on.
Mine's gonna be harder to flip. So.
Hold on, what am I gonna draw? Okay, 1 minute. Go. I don't even know. You're drawing the animal?
No, not. I'm just drawing the sun.
I know.
I don't even know what to do.
I'm just drawing the sun. Oh my gosh, the sun looks horrible. What are you drawing? What are you drawing?
I'm drawing you.
I just want to do what I'm drawing. I gotta grab on this one. How many more seconds do we have? Huh?
25.
Oh my
it's
gosh.
only been 25.
So how many more seconds? I imagine I was like on the last thing. I didn't even fill everything.
I drew this wrong.
Are you trying to make me go? I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm done. My son is the only son.
Oh my gosh, didn't get to finish it.
I'll let you finish yours and then
I
done.
just gotta cover this. That doesn't count because I'm pulling it in. Okay. Yeah, I messed up.
What's your supposed to
And I did that.
Does it see a goat? How are you gonna flip first because the ears?
I don't know.
Mine's gonna be hard
For
too.
1 year, she's gonna be nuts at her.
Ah!
I need that.
Here you go, take my spatula. Yours is gonna break.
It's supposed to be a dog, but I got the wrong ears on
It's
there.
like the wrong. It looks like a little girl with a creepy face. I can't lie. You actually can see the circle. Looks good. Who thinks is already better? Three-handed.
What you drew was a sun.
So,
Ones. Ellie's are on the left, mine are on the right.
these two are so small, not small. Yours are like all the same size. Free-handed.
Free-handed. Mine's supposed to be dog. Ellie's is a sun. So that completes today's challenge.
Probably video.
What were you saying?
I was trying to say video.
Okay. Challenge. So I think it's about even.
No, the one that I like the most for my pile is.
This is the best one.
No, that's the best one in your pile. My favorite. I don't have any favorite, but actually this one's the best in my pile because it looks so. You saw this, which you showed me.
Taste it.
No, I already tasted my name. I tasted the one I hate.
It tastes like a pancake.
I don't remember.
Thanks for watching.
See you all next
Time.
time.
Bye.